Good morning, students. Children, as you know, in the previous week we discussed about natural disaster. What are the natural disaster? It means calamity which brings lot of destruction and loss of life. So people die, even the cattle or animals, they die due to this disaster, and there is a loss, destruction of property, roads, like buildings are broken, roads are broken, electrical lines are swept, and connections gone. So all these things, this all disasters, this calamity brings lot of loss of life and property. Now destruction or this disaster is due to natural causes, or maybe it is for man-made causes too. We discussed that there are man-made disasters like when there is a fire, or maybe accidents of plane or train. But here in this chapter we are going to discuss about the natural disasters. Last week we discussed the natural disasters like flood, then we discussed blizzards and landslide. Children, now we are going to discuss about another serious problem which we in India we face every year, and that is a natural disaster called drought. Drought, D-R-O-U-G-H-T, but this pronunciation is drought, D-R-O-U-G-H-T, drought. Okay, and here in drought you can see some pictures. Children, after looking at the picture, what can you say? That what is this type of disaster? Yes, this is a disaster where there is very less rainfall for a period of time, or scarcity of rainfall, or maybe no rain for a long period of time. When a place doesn't get enough rainfall, or very less rainfall, or maybe no rain for couple of years, then that place has this or suffers this disaster called drought. Now drought means occurrence of little or no rain for long period of time. As you know, rainwater is very important. Rainwater is the, we can say the main source of fresh water, and if this rain doesn't occur for a long period of time, the people living there will be suffering. They will get maybe very less water for their domestic purposes, and farmers, especially the affected ones are the farmers, they will not get water to do farming. As you know, the land for farming needs lot of water, that is called irrigation, and different types of irrigations we have. We get the water is means the farm or the fields are watered by maybe the canal water, river water, or maybe the pumps or wells. But if there is no rain, the water bodies will be all dried up, and so there will be very less amount of water for the farmers to grow crops, and that's why the farmers are the most affected people, and this leads to the shortage of food, leading to famine. So famine is the word you have heard for the first time. Famine means when there is shortage of food. Why shortage of food? Naturally, farmers cannot grow crops for years after years properly. There is no, where will they get the water? You cannot bring water for farming from other places. It has to rain. So the water bodies, all the rivers, ponds, lakes, they dry up, the streams, they dry up. There is no water for the farmers. As you can see this picture, a farmer sitting on a barren land where there is nothing, and you can see this condition, and you can see cracked soil. When it becomes cracked soil, when it is not raining, you must have seen your garden during summertime when you can give water for maybe a couple of days and the soil it's cracked. So in this way the farmers feels awful when he cannot get water and he cannot grow his crops. And many a times, children, the farmers, this leads to the suicide of farmers in India, especially last few years. The states of Maharashtra, then Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, they were facing serious drought. There was not enough rainfall for years after years, and the rainfall needed for irrigation, for water for irrigation was not there. And this leads to the shortage of food called famine. Famine. Famine means there is सूखा पड़ जाते हैं, and there is no food, enough food, and the crops prices rises very, very high. You know that sometimes the price of potatoes and onions reach almost 100, even tomatoes and all that. Why? Because there is shortage of supply of essential items when the demand is quite high. But we have to feed each and every person, and the farmers, they can't grow, they go poorer and poorer, and they have to take loan from the banks and they cannot repay. So it is a real disaster. Maybe you will not say that there is a loss of life and property. Yes, life and property, because the animals living in these regions without water, they may die, they may not survive without water. Okay, and in this way, as I told you, farmers, they commit suicide also. So this is a disaster called drought, which is caused due to scarcity of rainfall, or very less or no rainfall for years after years. Okay, so this is when nothing is grown and the land is barren, and it is called drought. Thank you, children.